Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clone video edit of yourself on CapCut. So first, just add a video of you to CapCut, for example like this. And the clone effect can easily be found under the body effects. So just go to effects, body effects, and here you'll find clone category. So there are lots of options that you can choose. You can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to try the drag clone like this, or maybe the doppelganger, this one. This is the easiest one. Okay, I'm going to just use this one. And you can also adjust the effect further. You can adjust the twist, the speed, the amount of clown. Okay, I'm going to just go with 4. And you can also adjust the intensity of the clown. You can see if you swipe to the left, it will become transparent like this. And you can also adjust the rotate. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon, and that's basically it. I hope this will be helpful, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.